I carry you this legacy forward. I ask you to carry this legacy forward. Let's not only be a memory, but a mission. Let your lives be a testimony of excellence, faith, and resilience that this institution stands for. And remember, no matter how high you soar, you will always have a home here in Snaga. Congratulations, Class 2025! Mabuhay kayo, padayon, and may you always rise beyond the limits toward heights of ethereal and divine. My congratulations and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much, Mom, for your uplifting words and timeless wisdom. Please be seated.